In January 2012, a strange message appeared on an internet forum. It showed a simple image with hidden data inside it. The message read, "We are looking for highly intelligent individuals." It was signed Cicada 3301. What followed became one of the most complex puzzles ever created. People quickly realized this wasn't just online. Clues were hidden in music files, books, encryption keys, even physical posters placed in cities around the world. From the United States to Europe to Asia, the puzzles required knowledge of cryptography, programming, philosophy, even ancient texts. Thousands attempted to solve it. Very few succeeded. Those who did were contacted privately, then disappeared from the public eye. Cicada 3301 returned again in 2013 and 2014, then stopped. No one has ever confirmed who was behind it. Some believe it was a government recruitment tool. Others think it was a secret organization, or something else entirely. So the question is, if they were recruiting, what were they preparing for? Maybe we'll never get a real answer.